Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Dillon King from Home Buyer Louisiana. I am here in Des Allemands, Louisiana. I'm not sure if I'm on the St. Charles Parish side or the Lafourche Parish side of Des Allemands, but I am here. We had someone go to homebuyerlouisiana.com and tell us about this property she has. So she actually bought this property on an auction after Hurricane Ida. At that point, the property already had wind and water damage because if you see here, we are really on the water behind us. So it already had wind and water damage from that, and that's why she was able to purchase it. She is actually not local to here, so she was trying to get some things repaired, and I arrive here and I am told from the neighbor that there has actually been some fire damage, so it's probably kind of the last straw, I'm assuming, for her. I'm here to assess the property, make sure it is as she described it, but we are going to take this property as is. We're going to buy it as quickly as we can for her and put that cash in her pocket. So like I said, it's a great property. It has a lot of space. It's right here on the water, but it's fully gutted, right? We've had almost every type of damage going on from Mother Nature on this thing. It needs a new roof. It's totally gutted. It needs windows. Like I said, it's totally gutted, so it needs rough-ins, electrical, all kind of stuff going on. So if you have a property similar to this, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, tell us about it. I'll be over and we're going to take it off of your hands as quickly as we can. Now, as far as these go, right, we have like an RV here and an old vehicle parked out front. I don't know if they are the current owners or if they were already here from when she bought it from the auction. But either way, she won't have to remove any of this. She won't have to make any repairs. We're buying this property for cash as is.